Want to show your screen to others on a Google Meet call, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Now let's get started. To share your screen on Google Meet, first join a call you want to screen share in. Then click the screen share icon in the menu at the bottom. In the pop-up, choose if you want to share your entire screen, a specific window, or just one tab. Then choose the specific tab, window, or screen you want to share. If you need to share audio as well, make sure the Share Audio option is enabled by clicking the switch at the bottom. Then click Share. You can then go ahead and present whatever you're sharing with the people in your meeting. If you're sharing your entire screen, you can switch between tabs and windows and share anything you have up on your screen. If you chose to share one specific window or tab and want to share a different one, click the Screen Share button and select Present Something Else. You can then select another window to share. When you're finished and want to stop screen sharing, click the screen share icon and select Stop Sharing. You can then continue on with your meeting or leave the call. That's all it takes to share your screen on Google Meet. Want to learn more about using Google Meet? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.